Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Calendly webhooks in Zapier step by step clearly. To download Calendly webhooks in Zapier, start by logging into your Zapier account. On the Zapier dashboard, click on the Make a Zap button. Choose Calendly as your trigger app from the list of available options. Select the appropriate trigger event, such as New Event Created or Invitee Cancelled. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, connect your Calendly account by clicking on Sign in to Calendly. Follow the prompts to grant Zapier access to your Calendly account. Once connected, click on Continue to set up the trigger. Test the trigger to ensure it retrieves the correct data from Calendly. After a successful test, click on Continue to move to the next step. Now, select the action app where you want the Calendly data to be sent. Choose the appropriate action event for that app, such as Create Spreadsheet Row or Send Email. Click Continue to connect the chosen action app. Follow the prompts to authenticate your action app account. Once connected, click Continue to set up the action steps. Map the data fields from your Calendly trigger to the fields in your action app. After setting up the mapping, click Continue to finalize the action. Test the action to confirm that the data is correctly sent to the app. Once the test is successful, click Publish Zap to activate your integration. You will now be able to automatically download Calendly webhooks into your chosen app through Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.